Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 4 and 5. Intellect, wisdom, non-illusion, forgiveness, truth, self-restraint, calmness, happiness, pain, birth or death, fear and also fearlessness.
Chapter 10, Shloka 4. Buddhir-jnanam asammogaha kshama satyam dhamma-shamaha sukham dukkam bhavo bhavo bhayam cha bhayameva cha.
Non-injury, equanimity, contentment, austerity, beneficence, fame, infamy, all these different kinds of qualities of beings arise from me alone.
Chapter 10, Shloka 5. Ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanam yasho yashaha bhavanti bhava bhutanam mattayeva pridhagvidaha.
Chapter 10, Shloka 4 and 5. How the self is the Lord of the worlds, both the material cause and the efficient cause for the world of plurality, within and without an individual, is the Lord. Lord now enumerates in these shlokas the various qualities expressed by the mind intellect of man. Man is what his mind is, and the nature of the mind depends upon the various qualities it expresses. Here, though only positive qualities are mentioned, the opposite qualities should also be included. Mind can be controlled by not letting past memories to gush out, or by not letting the sense organs to run wild in the world of the sense objects. Whatever be the type of emotions and thoughts that flow, which provide different values of life to express in the world, they arise from the self alone as the substratum. If the pure awareness is not there to illumine all the qualities existing in our heart, they have no existence, at least as far as the individual is concerned. Based on these qualities, there is the classification of things and their fields of experiences, all illumined by the same awareness. In this sense, self is the Lord of the worlds. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.